Okay, I'm inside my Microsoft Excel. As you can see up here, I'm using the Microsoft Excel. And this particular session, we need to actually do validation. Right? We actually need to do validation. So it's under the data, and you will see the data validation over here. Right? So you can see all this. Right? So you have the data validation, circle invalid, or clear the validation circle. We'll look into the data validation itself first. Now, you can create what your validation criteria over here. What so you can see what type of criteria. But most of it you can use the normal one, right? Unless you want to custom it. But most of the time, this is enough for me. Right. So I can actually just set, okay, I want whole numbers, right? And what is the minimum and maximum? Let's say 0 to 100. So give it a title. Right. So input. So let's say input student mark and a particular error. Right. So I can say, all right, uh, error, and I can give an error. Let's say out of bound, and I click OK. So now I actually have, okay, I need to input the student's mark. So this is okay, no problem. But let's say -8, they'll give me an error. See, they'll give me an error. I'm not allowed to do this.